Want to learn gym equipment names in English? This video not only helps you learn new gym items through pictures and videos, but it also gives you a fun quiz to test your memory. This is part 1 of the series with 50 words, and a quiz of 20 questions will follow right after. Are you ready? Let's get started.
What is this? Treadmill. Treadmill. What is this? Dumbbells. Dumbbells. What is this? Elliptical trainer. Elliptical trainer. What is this? Stationary bike. Stationary bike. What is this? Barbell. Barbell. What is this? Resistance bands. Resistance bands. What is this? Kettlebells. Kettlebells. What is this? Weight plates. Weight plates. What is this? Rowing machine. Rowing machine. What is this? Pull-up bar. Pull-up bar. What is this? Power rack. Power rack. What is this? Smith machine. Smith machine. What is this? Cable machine. Cable machine. What is this? Adjustable bench. Adjustable bench. What is this? Incline bench press. Incline bench press. What is this? Flat bench press. Flat bench press. What is this? Chest press machine. Chest press machine. What is this? Lat pull down machine. Lat pull down machine. What is this? Squat rack. Squat rack. What is this? Jump rope. Jump rope. What is this? Leg press machine. Leg press machine. What is this? Leg curl machine. Leg curl machine. What is this? Leg extension machine. Leg extension machine. What is this? Decline bench press. Decline bench press. What is this? Seated row machine. Seated row machine. What is this? Pec deck machine. Pec deck machine. What is this? Hack squat machine. Hack squat machine. What is this? Preacher curl bench. Preacher curl bench. What is this? Air bike. Air bike. What is this? Hex dumbbells. Hex dumbbells. What is this? Abdominal bench. Abdominal bench. What is this? Hyperextension bench. Hyperextension bench. What is this? Dip station. Dip station. What is this? Medicine ball. Medicine ball. What is this? Bosu ball. Bosu ball. What is this? Battle ropes. Battle ropes. What is this? Foam roller. Foam roller. What is this? Plyo box. Plyo box. What is this? Sled. Sled. What is this? Glute ham developer, GHD. Glute ham developer, GHD. What is this? Punching bag. Punching bag. What is this? Speed bag. Speed bag. What is this? Balance board. Balance board. What is this? Agility ladder. Agility ladder. What is this? Speed hurdles. Speed hurdles. What is this? Stretch bands. Stretch bands. What is this? TRX suspension trainer. TRX suspension trainer. What is this? Rowing ergometer. Rowing ergometer. Quiz time! 20 questions are upcoming. Get ready! Grab your paper, grab your pen, write down your answers. Pause the video if you need more time. You have 5 seconds for each question. Let's begin! Thanks for watching. Part 2 is coming soon. Subscribe and stay tuned.